Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We have a car with a mass of 2,200 kilograms moving at a steady speed of 71 kilometers per hour. To overtake another vehicle, it accelerates to 111 kilometers per hour in 6 seconds. Find the power required for this acceleration. Also find the power when the mass of the car is 800 kilograms. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. Step 2, list all the known variables and find the unknown, which is power. In this case, it is work flow rate, W dot. Step 3, find the power formula. Starting with the first principle, energy in minus energy out is equal to energy of the system, where it is equal to 0 because it is steady. So in this case, energy of the system is equal to the energy going in, and the power comes from the change in kinetic energy because they give us the velocity. So it will be mass multiplied by final velocity squared minus initial velocity squared divided by 2. We're going to bring the 2 down to the denominator. So the formula will look something like this. Step 4, find the power to overtake. So we've got 2,200 kilograms, that's our mass. And then we have our change in velocities. So that's converted to kilometers per hour. So what they did here is they divide by 3,600. And they also divide by 1,000. So that will give you 3.6 to get it into meters per second from kilometers per hour. Okay, so both final and initial squared, and then divide by 2. And then you multiply by the change in time, which is 6 seconds. Then remember to multiply by your conversion factor. So that's 1 kilojoule per kilogram is 1,000 meters squared second squared. So in the previous video, I forgot to divide it by 1,000. So this time I remembered. Okay. So that will give you 102.98 kilojoules per second. So it's a 1-to-1 conversion for kilowatts. So it's 102.98 kilowatts to overtake the other vehicle. Now, what if the vehicle, our car or our vehicle, is 800 kilograms? So we rinse and repeat, but we just change the mass to 800 kilograms. And we will get a power of 37.45 kilowatts. Note that the power needed to accelerate a car is inversely proportional to the acceleration time. So the shorter the acceleration time, the more powerful the engine. Disclaimers: the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now, before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things just happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. So click on your taskbar icon for snipping tool. If you don't have it in your taskbar, go to your Windows search and then type in snipping tool, open up the program. Once it's open, Click on Video option, click on New, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button on snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square and snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends, because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.